Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken rice soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 5 cups of water, 2 chicken breasts cubed, 1 onion diced, 3 carrots diced, 1 rib of celery diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1½ to 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon powder, 1 cup of long grain white rice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay guys, on medium-high heat, we're going to bring our pot to temperature and we're going to add in our olive oil. Now you want to add in your onion, the carrots, and also your celery. We're going to mix it and we're going to let it saute for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, also your parsley flakes, and your thyme. And we're going to mix that and let it saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you want to add your 5 cups of water. Okay, I'm going to give that a stir. Now you can add your chicken bouillon. Your chicken. Your ground black pepper. And also your rice. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. We're going to put our heat on high to bring it to a boil. Also guys, at this time you can go ahead and taste the broth to see if you need any more salt to it. Once your soup starts to boil, we're going to go ahead and cover it up and we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Okay guys, after about 10 minutes, we're just going to go in and mix our soup. You can see it's coming along nice. Just going to put our lid back on. Okay guys, our chicken rice soup is now done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken rice soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.